LokOS is an initiative by the Indian Ministry of Rural Development to empower rural women through financial management. It is a platform designed to document member profiles, livelihood data, savings, lending, and repayment details of people in rural areas all over India. Built to manage millions of records for over 10 million families, LokOS struggled with a cumbersome system. The platform faced slow response times, poor user experience, and was costly to maintain. Daffodil was tasked with transforming LokOS into a robust and user-friendly platform that could efficiently manage vast amounts of data, enhance user engagement, and support the stakeholders to meet their objectives. First, Daffodil conducted a deep assessment of the platform. The diagnosis revealed a rigid architecture dependent on a monolithic structure that couldn't scale effectively as demand grew. System breakdowns were inevitable. We migrated the system to a microservices-based architecture and decoupled various functionalities, which made LokOS more flexible and responsive. Performance and security bottlenecks were eliminated by integrating KeyCloak for secure login, implementing Redis for faster data retrieval, and optimizing transaction processing with Azure Service Bus. User experience was also a top priority. Daffodil overhauled the interface, making it easier for community leaders and rural women, often without formal education, to seamlessly navigate the application. Another breakthrough? Offline functionality for low or no internet connectivity. In remote areas with unreliable internet, users can now access critical information and complete financial tasks without interruptions. The results were profound. LokOS now processes 2 trillion rupees worth of transactions annually, directly supporting over 100 million households. The platform has transformed rural financial management, accelerating economic growth and empowering women in unprecedented ways. To know more, visit www.daffodilsw.com.